Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Airship AI is a company that provides data processing and surveillance solutions to government agencies and big enterprise customers worldwide. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about Airship AI. Here is the video format. First, I will explain what Airship AI do, when it was established, and other basic information so you will have a good understanding of the company. Then I will talk about the products they are selling, who they sell the products to, and what are the different use cases for those products. Finally, I will talk about some recent developments and financial results. Everything I say is not a financial advice, so please make sure you do your own research. Let's start with introducing the company. Airship AI is a US based technology company that specializes in computing and artificial intelligence solutions. The company was originally founded back in 2006 and is headquartered in Washington. While it's been around for quite a while, Airship has evolved significantly over the years, focusing more recently on real-time data processing and surveillance tools designed for governments, law enforcement, and enterprise customers. At its core, Airship AI builds a platform that helps organizations take unstructured data like raw video footage and turns it into structured, searchable information. What makes them different is that most of the data processing happens directly at edge. That basically means that the processing data happens close to where the data is being generated, and that's instead of processing the data at a server or a cloud. This makes their system faster, more secure, and less reliant on internet bandwidth. So now that we have a background about the company, let's talk about the products they are selling. Airship AI's best-selling product is called Outpost AI. That device can run artificial intelligence models directly on site. That means it can detect things like license plates, vehicles, weapons, or even aircraft tail numbers without needing to send all the video footage back to a central service. This is especially useful in places with limited internet access or where real-time decision making is critical. Another key product is Acropolis, which is their main software platform. Acropolis helps agencies manage all the sensors and video feeds in one place. It can be used to search through footage, organize evidence, and monitor multiple sites at once. Acropolis is often paired with Airship Command, which is the user interface that lets people visualize and interact with the data. In terms of real world use, these tools are deployed in high security environments like border crossings, transportation hubs, and government facilities. They also used by police departments for investigations and surveillance. The main goal is to extract valuable insights from video and sensors quickly and securely. When it comes to clients, Airship AI works with a range of US government agencies. For example, they signed a $10 million contract with a Department of Homeland Security agency to deliver Outpost AI units and related systems. They also received $2 million award from the Department of Justice agency for deploying Edge Appliance. On top of that, they landed a support contract with a major Fortune 100 company, most likely in transportation or logistics, worth about $1 million over 9 months. Airship AI tends to work on contract-based deals. Prices can range from hundreds of thousands to several $1 million depending on the scale of deployment, the number of devices, and the level of support required. So now that we have an understanding about their products, let's talk about their financial results. For the first quarter of 2025, Airship AI reported $5 million in revenue, which represents an increase of about 80% compared to the same quarter last year. That's a strong year-over-year growth rate, especially for a small cap tech firm. The company also posted a gross profit margin of about 40%, which is healthy, though not exceptional for a business in the AI-driven surveillance and data analytics sector. Now, while revenue growth is a positive sign, Airship AI is still operating at a net loss. In the first quarter, they posted a net loss of about $6 million. Much of this is due to increased spending on R&D and preparing for the commercial launch of their new AI products. On the balance sheet side, the company reported about $2 billion of cash and equivalents, which is considered to be low cash cushion. However, they recently entered into an equity line financing agreement which may provide additional liquidity moving forward. It's also important to mention that they have minimal long-term debt, which help reduce their financial risk. So now that we understand their financials, let's see what analysts think. As of now, the stock price is around $5. According to the latest research from Wall Street analysts, the most common price target is about $6. That represents about 20% upside from the current levels. But it's important to mention that analysts can be absolutely wrong, so you always better do your own research and get your own conclusions. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.